This is Kate. I'm reviewing Brightspace today. And disclaimer, this is the newest learning management system to me. So I'm sure that has played into the learning curve that I've had with this system. Alright, nonetheless, let's get started. So I'm here at my courses and I've selected the build your course option in this 30-day free trial, which is an awesome option to have. And so here I am, and I'm taking a look at the menu that is across the top of the screen. And I'm just going to start out nice and easy here, and I'm going to add an assignment. So I clicked on the assignment at the top of the screen, and then new assignment, clicked on that. And, for the most part, it seems fairly straightforward. Just type in the, assignment number 1. Right? I can provide some instructions to the students, like please respond to this week's question. And then, I have these drop-down menus on the side that are a little bit annoying to me because I'd rather have it all in front of me. And I guess I've been a bit spoiled, whether it's Canvas has been the one I'm most familiar with. I don't like having to do the work of bringing documents to me. I'd rather have them all in front. Again, I'm probably being super picky here. So anyhow, I'm not going to go through all the motions there, but that's add an assignment. And then if I want to go back to, let me go over to content here on the far left. Okay. And then I can add a module for a lesson. If I click add a module, and then I just titled it module, or I can call it lesson, and it was added successfully. And I'm going to click on that, and then it gives me the option of a submodule, and then I can add content. And I saw there's a lot of different activities, and again, I just think it's just a learning curve on my part. But there's a lot of drop down. This seems to be built around a lot of drop-down menus, which is fine. All the learning management systems seem to have that here or there. And then finally for the announcements, which I know I did, but now I can't find. I think this is an important point though. When you grow accustomed to a certain system, it is hard to stretch to a new one. So I'm just going to find my way back to the announcements. I thought the announcement was actually a pretty easy process. So once I find it, learner discussions, no. Get in there. Assignment, no. Well, so I'll have to spend a little more time finding it again. But I did an announcement successfully, and it went fine. Now I have to spend the time learning how to get the announcements again. So yeah, that's not fun, and that's, I think, one of the challenges. If you're going to kind of go to a new system, there's just a built-in learning curve and time that you're going to have to spend doing that. So yeah, that's my review. Alright. I'll find the announcements eventually. I know they're in here. Alright, thanks. That's my review.